Greetings and welcome to the first video about DOSbox and Amadeus programs. My name is Francisco Mendesu Torres, you may refer as me as Fan, and we're going to explain a bit about me and a bit about the program that we're about to see in the next classes. So this won't be a class, this will be more of a presentation, an initial presentation about everything we're going to do. I'm a student from the University of Cordoba, coursing in degree of tourism, and I have been assigned to learn but also explain more about using and learning about the functions related to the Amadeus and the DOSbox program, which we use to compute and manage variables and functions related to tourism. For example, airlines, airports, where they go, where airplanes go, to certain countries, certain time, etc. Also, it allows us to check into certain information when it comes to specific conditions. This is actually my first time using this program, and did not have the opportunity before to learn about how to manage tourism with these pieces of software. So I'm looking forward in learning how to manage myself around this program and be able to successfully complete my tasks without any trouble. This program is very useful, and in the next videos I'll upload videos explaining how to use the program correctly and therefore demonstrate two objectives. The first objective is about comprehension and understanding. With these videos I demonstrate my capability with the program. And the second objective, I demonstrate that I understand DOSbox and Amadeus functions so well that I'm able to explain it to everyone so they can understand it as well, like I do. So that's everything I have to say, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you at the first tutorial of this course.